Hello tech lovers, today's video is on SG906 MAX 1 Pro drone. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. SG906 MAX 1 Pro drone is a top-of-the-line drone that is perfect for drone photography and video recording. It has an impressive motor and sturdy design, making it ideal for use in professional settings. With its high speed and user-friendly controls, the SG906 MAX 1 is the ideal drone for video and data production. This particular drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is about 28.3 centimeters in length and 25.3 centimeters in width, 8 centimeters in height when it is expanded. And it is 8.4 centimeters by 17.4 centimeters by 8 centimeters when folded. It has got one unique and common design. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. The SG906 MAX 1 drone is the perfect choice for those who want to record 4K HD footage of their home. Thanks to its high-end cameras, the drone is able to discern every detail and offer you an unobstructed view of any space. Additionally, the top-quality footage will leave your home looking more realistic than ever before. If you're a hobbyist filmmaker or creating professional videos, the SG906 MAX 1 drone is the ideal device for you. The SG906 MAX 1 is a drone that features a 7.6-volt 3400 mAh lithium battery. This battery has been designed to meet the needs of drone enthusiasts and professionals, and is perfect for use in high graphics applications or when you need to fly longer distances. With this battery, you can fly your drone for longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of energy. Now it is time to discuss various functions of SG906 MAX 1 drone. One-click control system. The SG906 1 megavolt drone is the most advanced control system with one click to the present. Once you've mastered how to operate it, you'll be able to take your drone anywhere in no time. With this easy-to-use and user-friendly Mach 3 controller, you can fly your quadcopter wherever and at any moment without difficulty. Introducing SG906 MAX 1, the world's first drone 360 laser obstacle avoidance system. With breakthrough technology and software, it provides safety for users as they fly. The system accurately calculates obstacles in its airspace and then warns the user by a graphical display of where and how close the obstacle is. SG906 MAX 1 drone 5G with real-time HD transmission is the most effective way to get the most current in 4K videos, content, and images on your favorite social media channels. With the SG906 MAX 1 you'll experience the clarity that is hard to beat. This micro quadcopter transmits real-time video using 5G while flying fast and easily. It's perfect for those who love first-person view racing, but would like to experience a more complete experience. The SG906 1501 drone gesture photo is the best method to take stunning crisp and clear videos and photos with your loved ones or family. With its innovative design and sophisticated camera algorithm, it offers incredible detail and offers a wide range of video shooting options, which makes it ideal to capture memories. SG906 MAX 1 drone provides you with the capability to create stunning photos and videos using 50x zoom. This makes it simple to snap photos of your favorite location at any given moment. With its high frame rate, this drone is ideal to capture professional quality video in motion. The SG906 MAX 1 drone is the ideal choice to anyone who is seeking a top-quality beauty and filtering solution. With its high-end optical system and computer, it will create stunning videos and images easily. If you're looking the best you can or simply keep things easy, SG906 MAX 1 is the best choice. The SG906 1501 drone's brushless power is among the most sophisticated and efficient brushless motor ever developed. It features a user-friendly controller which makes flying easy and is perfect for pilots who are just beginning their journey. With this motor's power that you can fly your drone easily and get great results each time. Introducing the SG906 MAX 1 drone, the world's most advanced 3-axis anti-shake head. With its reduced vibration technology, this model can prevent your drones from shaking uncontrollably, so you can film with confidence. Plus, the controller lets you fine-tune your shots for max range and shot accuracy. So why wait? The SG906 MAX 1 drone speed switch is designed to allow pilots to fly their drones at their own pace, without having to worry about how quickly the drone is growing out of control. With the speed switch, pilots can easily change lulls in their drone's throttle while they're flying so that they never lose sight of where they are with the drone. SG906 MAX 1 drone is the perfect flying companion for those exploring the world. With its amazing flight time and range, this drone can be used to take in all-around sights and sounds. Whether you're exploring a new city or tracking down a lost pet, whether you need to transport yourself or an equipment, SG906 MAX 1 will get the job done without fail. The Master Lens. The SG906 MAX is the ideal drone for those looking to take their aerial photography to the highest level. With its high-end optical system and master lens, the SG906 MAX lets you capture amazing images in a snap. The drone doesn't just deliver better quality images than any other drone, and thanks to its powerful processing capabilities and huge storage capacity, it is easy to store your footage to use later. GPS plus optical flow dual mode. The SG906 MAX 1 drone GPS optical flow dual mode is great for aerial photography as well as video recording. With this model, it is easy to track your flight and maneuvers using the ADS BBCM 4335 chipset. Furthermore, dual mode GPS system lets you monitor both backwards and forwards movement, even in extreme weather conditions. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are good price, good stabilization, great range, can be used with a controller, can fly autonomously or with a controller. The cons are drone colors should be varied to create aesthetics. Remote control needs to be modernized. The camera quality could be better according to the 6K camera. Portability could be improved. The SG906 MAX 1 drones are an ideal choice for those searching for a simple-to-fly, high-flying, and easy-to-control drone that is able to handle every situation. With its incredible range and stability, the drone is great for photography and filming in all conditions. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.